Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Nova 12S and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do it is open application which support long screenshot as website, internet application, settings, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we tap on scroll. And it is scrolling right now. We must tap to stop it when we have all we need. Maybe now. And after that we have our long screenshot with much more information than you have on the normal one. To save it in our gallery, we press this icon on the right corner. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.